Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to Metrics Trading Professional. Handling this session is Miracle Okafor. I want to quickly do a market review. I want to show you what my expectation is for the coming week. So I'll start with the gold dollar. So last week let me turn on this. All right. Okay. This was Friday candle. Market sold to this point and pushed up. This was Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. So obviously, the market last week was bullish, and of which is the weekly candle. I say the market was very bullish. So it stopped here. So there is it. So where are we looking at price for next week? What's my opinion? Okay, personally, I don't trade against the momentum of the market, so I will still be I'll still trade in line with the with the bullish move. Of course, if you go through this channel, you will discover that we have an analysis on gold some weeks ago. So this channel has been broken. So I see the market going further, going up. Okay. We're going to look for an entry anyways. So I just wanted to show you why I will take the decision I will take today, or why I would give the analysis I'll come up with today. So right here, we have a structure. This was the high of the previous. Okay, didn't really get to the high of Wednesday. But I know I have a structure there. Okay. Yes, that's it here. So this was a resistance. So it was a market structure that was broken. So first of all, we have a break. Let me get this too. So we have a break of market structure right here, and we have a retest or return to market structure. So after this, for me, I'm looking at a break of this minor level that was created. Though if we look at the history, 1,803, or I can use a whole number there, 1,800. Let me put that price there. Parameter. $1,800. Let's see where it is there. Okay, it's a random number, a whole number rather. So it's an important zone, and it's obvious that the market respected it last week. So I see 1,800 being broken this week. I will still go bullish. But by Monday, if I would see any reason, I should see that on Monday. But eventually, if the market opens tonight and this 1,800 is broken, then the next target on gold would be 1,880. Let me just say 1,860. I'm putting it on 1,860. That'll be a nice price. Yes, I'll target 1,860, which should be how many pips from here? this is possible to be achieved next week. I don't know how the momentum will be. I think we have fundamental. We should have CP. Let me confirm that. We should have CPI next week and retail sales. Let me confirm that. So 887, sorry, 587 pips. We're looking at 587 pips. So let me check the fundamental for. Okay, I just confirmed we have retail sales that should be on Thursday. So what I see here already, let me zoom in. NFP came last Friday and immediately came out, the market would drop down like this. And then after that, we started having this push up. Yes, what I would do if you want to be a conservative trader, I would then suggest you wait for the break of this. Okay, so when it breaks, then you can pick your buy, and then stop loss would be below this price. Below this price for stop loss. So that should be how many pips? That's like 213 pips. So you can also find other easier ways of having your stop loss. Okay. You might decide to use this price. I'm coming, let me put the price. So this is the price I would recommend. If it breaks this low, then gold will keep selling. So to make it shorter, you might use this price up here, 1792. You can use that price, but I won't guarantee it. Let it break up. Once you have a strong break to the upside, then you pick your buy. Then you can do your break and retest, something like this. Let me draw that. Break, retest, and pick your buy. Then when you do that, then put your stop loss here. But if you are aggressive here, then stop loss should be here. But if you have a break, then retest here, you pick your buy, then you can use this place as your stop loss. And if you have any other way you feel is best, then you can adopt it. So this is what I have on gold. Let me look at other pairs. Remember the target is up here. Let me zoom out. Our target is here. Buy, we're expecting is up there. Let me mark it. 1,860. That's the target. Let me put this. Let me zoom out. So the best place for stop loss for me is below Friday's low. But if we have a better way, then we can put it here or any other place you feel best. I don't trade against momentum. You can see how strong this momentum is on Thursday. I think there was a news on Thursday. I can't just remember. No. Was there news Thursday? FOMC? No. We had the news on Wednesday. I've forgotten anyways about Thursday. but you can see how strong it broke here. Then it retested it. So I'm going long on gold. Then let's look at Euro USD. For Euro USD, I still have the same bias. I'm going long. I'm going long on the Euro USD. The downtrend is broken. Okay, this was left. Wow, I didn't see that before. This particular one is broken. Then we have this price. We have to really be careful. This 2020 low, which was during the pandemic. Okay, let's see how many pips we are going to have here. I still know it has room to the upside. Like you can still buy 100 between 100 to 200 pips. If it must sell, it's going to buy 100 to 200 pips. That's just it. Monday, Tuesday, probably before the retail sales on Thursday, we could still have a buy here. As if it doesn't break this place. So I'm still not going short on Euro USD. I'm not going short at all. So what we're going to do is to allow it break this price and the market opens. Allow it break and then we enter. I know there's a reason why someone might want to sell, but I just don't want to I don't want to do a lot of things here. I know someone would want to analyze sell here. Of course, anything we analyze, we're always wrong because we analyze based on what we see. But personally, I would go long on Euro USD. My target on Euro USD is this price, between this price and this price. That's around 1078. So between 106 and 107 is where I will take a sell if I must sell it. For now, I'm going long. Now, I think pounds is more bullish than the Euro USD. Pound dollar is more bullish than Euro USD. So I would even advise to trade pounds instead of Euro USD. I would advise to trade pounds instead of Euro USD. This little zone here will be taken out by Monday, except it holds. So I would always sell when I see a nice rejection candle, probably on M15 or H1. Apart from that, I'll be on long. So I prefer the pounds dollar to the euro dollar. So I would prefer to trade pounds dollar. So being patient or conservative, just wait for this to break also. Then you pick right. But if we have a rejection candle here, nice rejection by Monday. So everything is just going to be determined on Monday. If you also want to be more patient, allow Monday to trade. So after Monday, by Tuesday, we can go on the buy. By then, it will have evidently broken it. But I'm looking at a possibility of having a strong buy that Monday, that by Tuesday, you wouldn't even know where to enter. That's what I'm presuming, So in case that kind of buy comes, then just join the buy. But if the market plays on Monday and just breaks and then come back, then it gives you a better entry. Nice. But then if they give us a rejection here, then I can sell. I wouldn't say the market is on resistance right now. Let me sell. No. Same thing with the gold. This was last week high and it was retested here, broken and retested. So we're still long. Of course, we have a flag here. This is a bullish flag. Though it's completed already. It's completed. The push last week, I've completed it. So it can sell, but I have to see a rejection. If not, I'll still be on the buy. So finally, let me add Euro JP, sorry, USD JPY. What do we have here? I'm just trading dollar weakness. If you look at what my analysis is saying, I'm just looking at dollar weakness. But if I have a good reason, I'm still going to look at dollar strength. But if NFP couldn't cause dollar strength, I wonder what will. Yes, someone trading other block would want to say, let's sell here. Fine, if we have good rejection candle, we can sell. If not, I'm still on buy on it. It's a nice order block. It's a nice one. I must say the truth, but I won't sell. I don't trade against the momentum. That's just me, and I don't do support resistance. Support resistance traders would always want to jump in right now. Market is on resistance. Okay, let me just ask you a question. There was a time this market was on support when it was going down. What happened? It broke it and it dropped down. Okay, there was a point here. Let me mark it. Based on this, there was a point. What happened? It broke it. There was a point it had a support here. What happened? It broke it. So I trade in line with momentum. I just don't want to look at support resistance and all that. All right, finally, USD JPY. Like I've earlier said, I'm trading against the dollar this week. I'm just looking at dollar weakness. So now, I must say this: Monday will determine what will happen for next week, because NFP was on Friday, and I believe they've not priced in, like they've not done everything they want to do. So by Monday, they will complete the agenda, and most likely what we have on Monday is what will continue the market for the week till we have retail sales. Okay, so for USD JPY, this trend is gone. The uptrend is over. For me, I would stay bearish. Yes, Fibonacci traders who want to start picking buy, yeah, fine, no problem. But I'll still stay bearish. Okay, so where am I going to find my entry? There's something interesting anyways here that could make it buy. But let me just say this. Be vigilant. If market breaks this low, then we'll take a buy. Sorry, a sell. Then before I will buy, I would want this high to be taken out. If I'm not sure I want to buy. So we buy up here and we sell below here. Let me see if I can type that. Right there on the breakout. And then we sell on the breakout here. So take note. Okay. Another thing I would also watch, one of the reasons I like saying these things, I don't know when and how this market will trade, but we can have an entry here. Market can buy to this place and we have entry around here for continuation of the sell. Okay. But it might not come back here for the sell. So is it? Market might pull to the upside. And then I want to sell there. But if not, a break of this place, I just start my sell. All right, that's that for today. I would stop here, and I believe you got value. I would always encourage that you trade with good money management. Always remember that the market will do what it wants to do, no matter how much you analyze it or what you feel or how you feel or what you do. The market will do what it wants to do. So anytime you trade, follow good money management. Don't assume anything. Ensure you take a risk that you are comfortable with. If you want to risk 3%, do. If you want to risk 10%, is your business. If you want to risk 20, 30, no problem. If you want to risk your full account, it's fine, but ensure that that risk you are taking, you can absorb it. Like if the money goes, it doesn't affect you, it doesn't affect anything, okay? If you can't take 10% risk, please take 3%. If you can't take 3%, please take 1%. And if you can't take the risk at all, then stay out of trading. So consider your risk appetite before picking any trade. Then always know that our videos are not suggestions for investment or whatever. We are only trying to educate people on how to trade the forex market. So it's purely for educational purposes. So I would always encourage you to trade appropriately, put money management first while you plan your trades. If you got value, do well to follow this channel. We'll have lots of information that is coming up, like how to code EAs and all that. So just follow this channel. Also search for us on our social media handles and as well follow. Our website is www.mtradingpro.com. So just go on your Google, search for mtradingpro.com, read about our services. All right, thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the day and have a successful trading week. Bye.